Automation is key for streamlining your work processes, and GitHub Actions is the best way to supercharge your GitHub workflow. This enables you to create custom software development lifecycle workflows directly in your GitHub repository. GitHub Actions is fully integrated into GitHub. It's built in. From the merge box to the checks tab, from the UI to the API, it works the way that GitHub works. In this course, Getting Started with GitHub Actions, you'll learn how to automate and customize your software development workflow by using GitHub Actions. First, you'll explore how a GitHub action functions by learning its core concepts and key characteristics. Next, you'll take a hands-on approach in a GitHub project repository by using a feature template workflow file with continuous integration or CI, and then customize it with unit tests, build artifacts, and environment variables. Finally, you'll learn how to use community GitHub Actions from the GitHub Marketplace to extend your customized software development workflow. When you're finished with this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to use GitHub Actions to extend, automate, and customize your development workflows and lay the foundation for you to take the next step and create your own custom GitHub Actions. I'm Aaron Stewart, and this is Getting Started with GitHub Actions.